Hello, third grade students. This week we're not going to learn a new note, but we are going to start working on the first song in your recorder packet, Hot Cross Buns. Let's review the notes you already know. So, on your recorder, remember that your left hand is on top, your right hand is on the bottom, holding it gently. The bottom hole is okay to cover up, but don't cover up this side hole here, just the bottom. To play our first note, B, you're going to take your thumb on the left hand, cover up that back hole all the way so you can't see the hole at all under your thumb. Then you'll take your pointer finger and cover up the first hole. Take a listen to B. Remember, we use tonguing and we say too, 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 whispering in the recorder. Listen to me whispering 4 times on B. See how that separates each note? It's like we're pausing the sound with our tongue. Next note that we've learned is A. A, we're going to keep these notes covered, and then we're going to take our second finger and cover the second hole. Take a listen to what A sounds like. I'm going to whisper 4 times into my recorder while playing A. And last, the third note that we learned is G. G, you keep all the fingers the same and you add that third finger. Make sure all of the holes are covered and you can't see any of the hole underneath your fingers. You don't need to squeeze super hard, you just need to make sure the holes are covered. Take a listen to me tonguing, whispering into my recorder while I play G. See how my recorder sounds nice and gentle? That's what yours should sound like. So now that we've reviewed our notes on the recorder, let's take a look at the song Hot Cross Buns. So the first thing you're going to do with any song is take a look at the rhythm. We don't need our recorder for the rhythm part, so you can go ahead and put that down. We're going to clap and speak the rhythm of just the first line, because that's all we're going to be playing this week. Take a listen, I'll do the first line, and then you can join me. Ta, 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 shh, ta, 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 shh. So we know hot cross buns are all 2 beats. And then we have this lovely rest that is a 2-beat half rest. Shh. So I'm speaking ta, 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 shh for 2 beats. And then I do it again. Ta, 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 shh. So before you play, the first thing you should do is always clap and speak the rhythm. Let's do the first line rhythm together. Here we go. 1, 2, clap and speak. Ta, 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 shh, ta, 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 shh. So for now, I am showing my hands and clapping the rhythm with you. But as we go later on in the year, I'm not going to be clapping with you. I'm going to ask you to clap it on your own. Make sure that when you are learning a new piece, your eyes are not on me when we do it together. Make sure your eyes are reading, are reading up here the paper, not reading what I'm doing. Because I'm not always going to be there to show you everything. I want you to make sure that you're reading the music that's on the paper. So now that we've clapped the first line of Hot Cross Buns, let's go over the notes. Notice I have them kind of written in. If you would like to rewrite them in whatever color you'd like, you can do that as well. You can find and trace the letters that I've written in. I'm going to finish tracing them. So I know that hot is B, then cross is A, then buns is G. So I need my recorder to ghost play this song. To ghost play, remember, that means your recorder is resting on your chin so you can't blow into it, and your right hand is on the bottom of the recorder, and your left hand is pretending to play the notes. So I'll hold B, A, D while I sing. So let's put our recorders on our chins. I'm going to hold mine a little bit closer to the camera so you can see what my fingers are doing. Let's try singing and playing the first line. I'll do it first, and then you can repeat it. B, A, G, B, A, G. And that's it for the first line. Why don't you try singing and ghost playing along with me? 1, 2, start with B. B, A, G. B, A, G. Make sure you're silent for those 2 beat rests. And then all you need to do for your assignment this week is play the first line after you've clapped and sung it. So all I need is a video of you playing the recorder. Take a listen, I'll play the first line, and then you can try it on your own at home. Remember, my eyes are not looking at the camera, they're looking at my music. First line of Hot Cross Buns. Make sure that between each note you're whispering to start each note and each sound. Remember, if you ever need help with recorder, I'm available every Monday between 2:30 and 3:30 for live help. I always post the Google Meet link on Monday afternoon, and then I sit in the Google Meet from 2:30 to 3:30. So if you need help, you can hop into the Google Meet and I will have my recorder to kind of work along with you on our song. And that's it for your music lesson this week. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.